had time for me right now, I was just leaving.
But you just got here.
I know, right?
Hey, what are these?
Oh! There you are. One of those North Beach diets. Carrots only. That's why they're all over the house. I was gonna clean them up, though.
Okay, Fred, how did the interview go?
Oh! Thank you for asking. Amazing. I aced it.
Really?
Yeah.
No way!
Why are you so surprised? Yeah,
Fred, that's awesome.
The place could use me, too. I mean, don't get me wrong. It was great. It was good. I mean, it was all right. I don't know if it was for me, really. It just didn't gel. Something felt a little off about the whole thing. I didn't get it.
Oh, what? What happened?
You know, it's kind of hard to pinpoint any one specific thing.
Oh, Fred.
I know. I'm sorry.
What is that?
I wouldn't know, because I'm not allowed to go up there, and I haven't been up there once, so.
Okay.
Sam, no, you're not allowed up there either. You can't, don't go up there. Sam, I'm begging you. I can explain.
Oh my God! Look at this. Look how cute this stuffed bunny is.
Wow. Yeah. Aw, so cute.
Isn't he?
Yeah, you know what? Maybe we shouldn't be playing with him because, you know, we're not really supposed to be up here in the first place, so...
Man, he's just so lifelike.
You think? It's a little freaky looking to me.
Oh, he's so soft and cute and cuddly and warm.
Okay. Why don't we put him back before things get uncomfortable?
No, I'm not uncomfortable.
Well, I'm uncomfortable because, you know, I'm looking after the house and it's my responsibility, so. Here we are. All right.
Oh my God.
Wow, look at that. He's a wind-up toy.
That is so adorable.
Yeah, I think he might be broken. So, yeah, you're a broken little guy, aren't you? Ow. Ow. Okay.
Fred, I am really worried about you.
Don't eat that, because you might not like the flavor.
Fred, relax. Watermelon.